JASMY starting off the new year on fire. Yes, generational wealth is being created by JASMY Labs and those that are holding this coin. Because JASMY, not only did they just release their secure PC in Europe, North America, and in the Asian continent, but also released their first ever secure PC subscription, which guess what, is purchasable in the JASMY coin. Of course, you can also purchase it in the yen at 4,290 yen, but likely in the coming days, JASMY Secure PC is going to have the opportunity and the option to have a buy now using your JASMY coin. A lot of money is being created as JASMY scales upwards and begins more and more utilization of the JASMY digital asset. But before we get right into today's crazy video, we have to announce we are hosting a JASMY giveaway that is very easy to be entered. All you're going to have to do is tap the like button, subscribe to the channel using the subscription button down below, and of course, most importantly, sign up on Uphold using the link in the description. We partnered with them to give you guys over $50,000 worth of digital assets to one lucky winner, and all you're going to have to do is these 3 steps, signing up on Uphold, and then of course doing a transaction, whether it be 1 penny to $20. And with that being said, let's not waste any more time and let's begin talking about JASMY and the money that will be created as a result. Of course, we start off with our daily JASMY market update. And of course, JASMY is always looking juicy and fantastic with the bullish momentum. Here it is. Up around 6.52% in the last 24 hours. JASMY is currently sitting at a price of 0.006961 with a market capitalization of around $343.1 million at 6.52% increase in value. The volume in the last 24 hours is up about 23.6% at 31.9 million, with a volume to market cap in the last 24 hours at 9.25%, a circulating supply of 49.3 billion, with a total max supply of 50 billion. The charts continue to move upwards in the last 7 days. We can see that massive pump upwards right there. In the last month, JASMY's already up 36%. And what we see here is we do see the momentum for another massive pump. Now, what we like about this is that we had this massive pump, brought JASMY close to 8, then we did that retracement, go sideways, and like I told you, when we get that retracement sideways action, it means we're going to get a massive pump even larger than the one before, meaning we're likely to surpass the previous numbers, which happened about a week ago, closer to around 9 or 1 penny officially. Market sentiment for the JASMY coin is fantastic as well. Everybody's really excited and very, very, very bullish on the actual JASMY coin. When you think about it, this is the beginning, as JASMY's token lockup is starting in Q4 of 2023, or the Japanese Q4 of 2023, which is equivalent to, I think, April of 2024. So what we're talking about here is the JASMY token lockup leading to a supply shock that creates a massive green candle. Billions of JASMY longer for sale. It's like a burn mechanism, reducing coins for sale, less supply, more demand. We see price for pennies into dimes, making millionaires. Yes, what's going to happen in simple form is we're going to see a reduction of the supply of JASMY, massive demand skyrocket and surge, causing the per value price per JASMY to go up. In addition to that, JASMY is holding nicely during the end of the year tax sell-off. Again, by JASMY US, it says, who's ready for a green candle in 2024? 2024 roadmap and more information from the team to announce in the coming months. Exciting time ahead. But this is what really caught my attention. JASMY, companies that cooperate with JASMY's payment system include companies like Toyota, Sony, and Panasonic. IT, blockchain, data democracy, all run by some of the massive global companies that are in Japan, and both of these, or all 3 of these companies, are working together to utilize JASMY and are a part of the JASMY. Here's where we are going to take a turn, because holding is hard. A lot of people talk about JASMY and believe JASMY is going to skyrocket, but are not even going to be able to hold long enough for JASMY to skyrocket. Most people sell low and buy high because they don't know how to do things properly or they desperately need the money. And this is where I figured out a passive income method. I've been able to do a lot of research and I found a coin that is going to make people a lot of money. To be honest, generational wealth. BTF token, a cryptocurrency that is skyrocketing and surged 46% in the last 24 hours, has only 300 holders and very little supply. Only 120 million are in circulating, or 120 million total circulating supply. This coin is making generational wealth, and it's doing so not just by rising in value, but by its framework. The token, run by the Crypto Trading Fund, It's the first ever token that literally generates you passive income using blockchain. It's an innovative network and platform where money actively serves you, connecting you to a framework for generating passive income through their blockchain technology. Basically, the way it works, and they do have this very nice video which tells you more about it. 1% of every sell transaction gets redistributed back to holders. So if somebody sells, you make money. And if somebody buys, the value of the CTF token rises, meaning you also make money. You can't lose because either way, as long as the transaction is done, you are generating wealth while you sleep, and this wealth is substantial. Plus, it's run by the crypto trading fund, which just gives it so much more credit. Now, I personally own the CTF token, and what I'm doing is I'm allowing it to generate me these passive income so that I can still live a really nice lifestyle without having to actually sell any of my JASMY coins. I do not want to sell JASMY. I know JASMY is going to make me a lot of money, but it needs some time, and so I'd rather go ahead and invest in something like the CTF token, make it generate me passive income so that I don't have to sell any of my assets, whether my real life assets or even my digital assets like the, JASMY coin. I don't have to sell my CTF tokens because they're generating me passive income, and I don't have to sell my JASMY coin because I want to wait for that to make me a lot more money. In fact, what I'm actually doing is I'm making the CTF token generate me passive income so that I can now dedicate more time to making more money, which I can then invest that more money that I've made back into the CTF token so that I can earn more passive income. And then eventually I can retire just off of my earnings and my passive income. And I still have all my assets. I still have my JASMY making me money. I still have my CTF tokens making me money and all my other digital assets as well. Of course, you can buy CTF by just clicking right here on ctftoken.com, which I'll link in the description. And then, of course, you can swap from Matic to CTF or go directly from fiat to CTF as well. My point is why would anybody want to sell their JASMY coins? There's a lot of ways to earn passive income, and if you could just hold your JASMY for some time until it skyrockets, this is where you make the most money. Now, you can hold it by trying to earn passive income that, of course, allows you to not have to touch into that JASMY coin portfolio. You can work extra, jobs to try and make more money so that you don't touch it. But the goal is hold your JASMY coin because digital assets actually do better over time. For example, Bitcoin was once at $1. It skyrocketed to $10 at the time. People thought it was insane, and most people sold. But look at it today, over $20,000. It's the same thing right there. And every year, the possibility of you making even more and more money in generational wealth is higher. And so having that passive income stream that requires you to not go ahead and touch into your portfolio and not have to touch into or dabble into that money that you've invested is the best thing that you can do. You make passive income so that you're living comfortably without going into any of your investments or anything that you own in terms of assets. Specifically when something less like JASMY that you're seeing growth on a day-to-day basis in, where they are growing global, where they are, going ahead and partnering with some large companies, where, billion-dollar companies are backing them, you want to stay owning these coins. I personally want to stay owning my JASMY coin. I want to stay opening my CTF coin because, again, it's run by the crypto trading fund. JASMY is run by JASMY Labs. XRP, another digital asset, is run by Ripple Labs. These are all companies that are multinational. They're massive companies. They're worldwide. Not only that, but they're companies that are not going to ditch their credibility, right? Credibility is a big thing to Ripple, to JASMY Labs, to the crypto trading fund. So they are going to back these cryptocurrencies and they're going to make sure they hold them strong. And so these are the coins that you want to invest in. These are the coins that you want to get in on. Now, that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy JASMY. I'm not telling you to buy CTF or crypto trading fund token. I'm not telling you to buy XRP. In fact, I'm telling you is do your research on these coins. Do your thorough analysis because some people have made generational wealth. A guy, I think his name is Da Vinci, and he bought in a Bitcoin. He told everybody to buy in a Bitcoin at $1, and look at it today, it's $20,000. But the point that I'm making here is, if you took the time to do your research back then, when Da Vinci said, check out Bitcoin, it's a dollar's nothing. You just get into it. You would have made billions or millions at least of dollars if you just took the 5 minutes and did the research, but nobody did. And so right now I'm telling you guys, take that 5 minutes, do your research, and then make your own informed decision. If you decide after that research that you don't want to, you don't have to. But if you decide, I'll take the risk, then it's up to you. And whether you make generational wealth or not, that is completely on you. With that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, as well as join on Uphold. Do a transaction, get your free referral bonus. It's literally free money, and enter that massive giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and peace.